another insider info I have from Bitwise, right, Matt and Hunter, is they want to renew the sponsorship for 2026 the whole year, and they want to go much bigger.
Yeah.
And for me, I was always thinking this podcast is probably going to be in trouble in the bear market, right? So either it means that this podcast is so amazing that I can partner with the big teams that don't care about bear markets, maybe, but as a Swiss I am, maybe not, right? I'm like, okay, whatever. Or these people are still bullish.
Yeah. Speak to the team at Coinbase. Speak to any of these people. I don't see any of these people saying it's all over. They're all saying it's all coming. Because don't forget, if you're at Coinbase, you know the pipelines of institutions who are going to use your rails to tokenize. If you're Bitwise, you know what the RIAs are thinking, the endowments are thinking, the pension plans are thinking. You know the lead time it takes. It takes a long time, but they can see visibility of their pipeline. They know how price sensitive those people are, so they can weight the probabilities of who their customers are going to be. And Coinbase can do the same. We haven't had the Clarity Act yet. Once that comes, it kind of is like, okay, it's now free reign.
So as a recap of what we talk about today, how do I make it in crypto in 2026?
Hold the right assets and do nothing. And don't rent conviction from people. Do your own work. And then you'll find your own conviction. And that's a really important thing. And don't look for a low price in terms of unit cost. And then find a echo chamber of narrative that comes around that. We've all done that in the past. Just openly look at the space and say, how much risk am I prepared to take? What is my goal here? Am I trying to compound wealth, or am I trying to get my starter pack of money to play the casino with? I get that speculative side, but you can do it in a smarter way and just have a time horizon that is realistic. And looking at it 3 months, 1 month, 9 months, 1 year still doesn't make sense. My entire thesis is the length of the cycle. I think the length of this cycle is 5 years. I changed my view. I thought it was going to be 4 years, but my forward-looking indicators kept pushing out, and I'm like, why is this happening? And then I realized the debt. And so 5 years is my time horizon. Everything else is just fucking noise.
What's one thing that you're holding on to, but you know that you should let go of?
Well, that can be a psychological question or an asset question.
Let's talk about Raoul as a person.
I think you hold on to the idea that you can help as many people as possible. But you have to let go of that because some people don't want to be helped. And it's really frustrating. And you're trying to do the same thing yourself. I see it in your tweets all the time. You're desperately trying to anchor people on, look, I want you to make this. But people are trying their hardest not to do it. And I try and communicate. And then we go back to the getting attacked online because people don't listen to what you're talking about. They don't actually even listen to the long 2-hour interview you've done. They don't actually read any of the research, even when you make it public. They don't do it. And you're like, I'm trying so hard to help, but you realize in the end you can't help everybody because people just don't want to be helped. So I have to let go of that because it's painful because you really, really want to help people.
How do you do that?
How do you let go of it? I think the 80-20 rule, you just have to help as many people as you can and realize that, and it's hard because you have to deal with this online hate stuff, which, yeah, you can try and have a shield up, pretend you don't see it. But in the end, it's like, why that's happening? Why are they angry? That's what you ask the question. Not necessarily directed at me, but why are people angry? And you realize it's because they're not making it. And you have to realize you can't put everybody on the lifeboat. You'd like to, but you can't.